So do you want to sell digital products online, but you just don't know what are the best digital products to sell on Etsy as a beginner? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you my 5 top digital products you need to start selling right now so you can start making money online with Etsy. I'm gonna share that all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jade. On this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time in today's video, you're getting value or encouragement, let me know by leaving a like on today's video and look at some other helpful resources and tips in my description box below if you want to go faster and further selling your own digital products online. So as always, my friends, let's jump in today's video. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Etsy, and if you are new to trying to figure out how to figure out what is selling online, what I teach you is to go in whatever niche you're in. So for instance, this niche that we're in today is the real estate niche, and what is very helpful in regards to selling in a particular niche is going down at the bottom and then seeing how many best sellers are in this particular niche. And as you can see, there are several best sellers. So first thing is that lets me know that whatever product is in this niche proves that the market is selling right now. Now, the second thing I do is I go up in this right-hand section to determine how much competition is in this particular niche. So again, our key phrase today is real estate templates. I'm looking down the bottom to see, can I prove the market that this particular product or this particular niche is selling? And it is. And then I want to go into this top right section to figure out, okay, how many listings are showing up for this particular product or this particular niche. Now, the reason why I want to go here is because this lets me know how much competition I have on this product page, right? There are multiple best sellers, not just on the first page, but there are also multiple best sellers on the second page. And I can keep going on and going on, but there's also best sellers on the 5th page. That means you don't have to be concerned about showing up on the first page to get your product seen in regards to search. This is a profitable niche. Again, it proves itself by having multiple bestsellers on different pages. And as you can see, we even have bestsellers here on the 3rd page. So obviously this is letting me know that this niche, this real estate template niche, is a great niche for beginners to start in. And if you are a beginner, I would encourage you to spend some time on these 5 product ideas you can start using right now. So we already see that the real estate template niche is good. Now we can go in here and figure out, okay, what products are really selling and what are some things people are looking for. And I taught you guys that you want to make sure that you prove the market. You want to make sure that you are in a particular niche that is low in competition, but at the same time, you want to target the best sellers because that lets you know what people are buying right now. And there's a couple ways you can do that. Yes, you can find the best sellers badge on each item, but once you go into these, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this will actually show you how many favorites this particular item has. And this item has 357 favorites, and it's telling me that it was last listed on July 15th. This is a good indicator to let me know if people are actually liking this particular item. How long has it been since this item has relisted on this store? And again, if it has the bestseller with recent reviews, then this lets me know this particular item is selling right now. So in regards to this real estate niche, we know that real estate postcards are things that are selling right now. Again, everything I'm teaching you today, everything I'm showing you today can be done in Canva for free. And so again, this is a great way to begin if you are selling digital products online with Etsy. Again, just start creating real estate postcards with the right keywords, making sure that your product listing is done the right way and making sure you are stopping the scroll with using engaging thumbnails. But at the end of the day, you want to create real estate postcards if you want to get in this particular niche. All right, so the second thing you want to create if you are wanting to get into this niche is real estate agent letter. Just a welcome letter for real estate agents they can use for people who are coming in to the buying market. Again, this is proven to sell. It has a bestseller. But again, one thing I like to do is scroll to the bottom to see if there are any favorites. And again, this has over 1,000 favorites and was just listed a couple of days ago. That means this has sold in the last 7 days. So again, all these things are really easy to make. Again, I go down to the reviews to see if people have purchased this recently, and they have. And again, It's really easy to make, and Canva is just a simple letter. This is just one item, right? Selling for $3. But again, think about creating different items so you can sell those things in bundles like I teach you on my other videos. All right, so the next place you want to start selling as a beginner on Etsy is using the real estate Instagram template idea. Again, this person is selling over 70 plus Instagram templates. I'm gonna share with you how to actually get these templates so you don't have to make all these from scratch. But at the end of the day, these are selling very, very well. As I taught you in my other videos, it's always good to create more than one product so you can actually combine those products into a bundle like this person is doing right now. And this particular item is selling for 20 bucks. So again, this is a bestseller. It proves the market. It proves that people want to buy it. If I scroll down to the bottom again, just to check how many favorites this particular item has, it has over 2,000 favorites. So again, the last time it was posted was on July 15th. And so again, this lets me know, and look at the recent reviews, this lets me know that this particular item has been selling and it is something that can sell right now. Do not be afraid of these 70 plus items that's in this particular listing. I teach you guys in my other videos the power of combining Fiverr plus Etsy to get these type of listings up. But at the end of the day, you want to start creating Instagram templates and start selling them in your store if you want to spend time selling in this particular niche. All right, so the fourth idea in the real estate niche you can start selling right now is a seller and buyer's guide. Again, if you notice, this is selling for $28. It is a bundle set. And as I go through this, you can see how all of these items are selling to benefit the next item. So again, it's different buyers and sellers guides and different styles. It comes with get to know you, meet the agent. Again, all these things can be done in Canva, but it's the power of creating a product that complements the other one. So again, these are not just isolated products they all made into one listing. Every product that's listed here is complementing the other. That's why it sells as a bundle. Again, they have offers and negotiations. They got steps before closing. They got closing day. They have success stories. Again, marketing strategies, 7 easy ways to get started with your home. These are several different sellers guides and buyers guides you can use where every single item complements each other. This is where the power of combining products comes in regards to selling things on Etsy, right? The power of combining the product is you are able to increase the value for the customer, but then you are also able to increase your revenue for every single transaction. So again, when you are creating items like this, think about how your items can complement another piece of items so that you can bundle those things together and start listing bundles you can sell in the real estate niche. And our last one today is kind of like the buyers and sellers guide, but this one is just the overall real estate client packet. Again, you don't have to be a real estate agent to sell these. At the end of the day, if you figure out what is selling on Etsy and how to actually put your products in front of the right people, just like this, then you are able to make $20 off of every transaction. Again, this person is using the combination of different products to use as a bundle. But this is a great way to get your product seen because you're using all of the research to make sure this product is proven to sell. And you're using the keywords, right? Real estate client, real estate templates, real estate Instagram templates, all these things I taught you. You're making sure that your product is put in front of the right people. They have created different client welcome packages, nice to meet you, timeline and milestones, what you can expect, questionnaires, what do they think about the home, what things can be fixed. All these things can be sold right now on Etsy. And again, it's the power of combining the listings that you have already created and putting them into one bundle that can increase the value for the customer, but that can also increase your value as the seller. So again, this one here is selling for 20 bucks. It has the best seller's badge. What I do is I go down to the bottom and see how many favorites it has. I get over 2,000 favorites for this particular item. I see when has it been last listed, and it has been last listed on July 16th. And so again, that lets me know that this is something people want. This is something people are willing to buy. And if I am able to create something like this and provide more value, maybe more listings or maybe more product in this bundle, then I'm able to get my product sold as well. But again, the power of all this stuff is knowing what is selling in the market. Number 2, making sure that you list your product in a low competitive niche. And number 3, try to bring more value to those best sellers. Again, I'm not saying copy those bestsellers because nobody's going to buy a copy of a copy, but look and see how you can add more value. Maybe add more pages, maybe add it for a lower price, and you're adding more value for the customer. Again, do not be afraid of combining more than one item for a product listing. That's where the power comes, right? Of combining all of these products that complement each other. So the power of combining all of these products into one bundle is that you are increasing the value for the customer, but at the same time, you are increasing your profit in every transaction. So this is the end of today's video, my friends. That was in a way helpful or encouraging. Let me know by leaving a comment down below. What is your best tips that you want to start implementing right now? If you found this video helpful or encouraging, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. And if you want to see more content like this, I release new content every single week, helping you create and sell your own digital products online. So as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.